Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. And of course, sa ating mga cross-watchers, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bonum Magos PH. My name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Now, in today's video, Gemini, alamin natin sa reading na to kung ano yung mga naging issue, ano mga kinakaharap na issue nyo ngayon, ano mga pinoproblema ninyo, at yun na nga, mga siguro pinoproblema at kinakaharap na issue. And then, we'll try to get some answers. Kukuha tayo ng mensahe at gabay to give you clarity, and guidance, and also perhaps to to give you an answer. If, yun na nga, naghanap kayo ng kasagutan sa mga posible ninyong mga tanong or gustong malaman or mga kinakaharap na issue ngayon. Either sa relationship yan, pera, trabaho, or kalusugan, or anything na yun na nga, kinakaharap niyo lately or ngayon. Now, paalala lang, Gemini, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, lahat ng tarot readings ko dito sa YouTube ay general reading lamang. So, ibig sabihin, di po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kunin niyo lang kung saan nag-resonate, Gemini, at iwan yung hindi. Alright, let's start. Gemini. First energy, Gemini, you have the Queen of Cups. Next, you have the Emperor. Next, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Next, you have the Hangman. Next, you have the Knight of Wands. I feel like marami sa inyo, Gemini, may gusto kayong gawin may hinahanap kayong gustong gawin. I feel like, naghanap kayo ng swerte, of course, obviously, with the Wheel of Fortune. I feel like marami sa inyo gustong umangat ang buhay, gustong umangat ang posisyon, gustong mag-enjoy. Also, marami sa inyo gustong magbakasyon, magbagong kapalaran, of course. Let's see. 5 of Cups. Oh, okay. 8 of Cups. Ace of Wands. The Hierophant. The Ace of Swords. The 3 of Cups. So, ang issue perhaps na kinakaharap nyo dito, some of you, is third party sa love life. Third wheel, may pinoproblema sa third wheel. I feel like marami sa inyo Gemini gustong i-confront itong, there's someone here, may gusto kayong kumprontahin, either yung person ninyo o yung mismong kumakabit. Yung nasa third party perhaps. There is this one thing, gusto lang, pero possibly nag-aalinlangan kayo, possibly humihingi kayo ng payo, paano ko to gagawin, how do I move forward from this, paano ko to i-handle. There's also that energy. But when it comes to your job, kaperahan, may hindi nag-work. Some of you are right now is, I feel like marami sa inyo, pinoproblema ninyo is, hindi nyo na nakokontrol. Some of you hindi nakokontrol ang mga finances ninyo, or maybe some of you nag-worry about kung ano nang kakainin. You have the Emperor eating a burger. Some of you are worried about, some of you are pagod. I would not say pagod na pagod, but either it could also be like bored, gustong magbakasyon. There is this something about wanting to, could also be just emotionally out of balance, irritable. Queen of Cups and 5 of Cups, this is an energy kung saan you're somewhat moody. Wala sa mood. May gusto kayong, may kinikrave kayo, Gemini. There's something that you want, but some reason hindi nyo exactly alam. Some of you, hindi lahat. For those of you, alam niyo ang gusto nyo. You're craving for something, possibly excitement. Could also be a purpose that you're looking for. Let's see. But when it comes sa negosyo, Gemini, nagbago ang kapalaran sa inyong trabaho. When I say nagbago ang kapalaran, siguro natanggal, nag-resign, na now walang natanggap na promotion. There's something like Ace of Wands. Okay, you know what was coming, Gemini? There's a new beginning that is coming, paparating. There's a new beginning na posibleng magbigay sa inyo ng malaking swerte. Look at this. Ace of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune talks about, ito yung ito yung swerte. At ito yung kadalasan ang Wheel of Fortune is an energy kung saan magbabago ang kapalaran mo. I think meron kang gustong umpisahan. Or maybe you're looking for something new na makapagpabago sa inyong kapalaran. Especially your status sa buhay. Because your issue right now is you're not happy. Three of Cups, you're not enjoying your life. You're somewhat bored. Di naman nag-aalala, but you're also thinking. But I feel like meron kayo ding idea eh. Right now, you have some of you meron kayong idea, nakafocus kayo sa goals ninyo, and you are motivated to go after this. To go after your goal. Focus kayo sa goal. You have a target. You have this, may goal kayo. You're focused on your target, and you're so, with the Knight of Wands, you are, there's also that you are motivated. You are encouraged, motivated, nagaganahan, porsigidong maabot yung pangarap, goal, objective. But then, with the Knight of the Hangman and the Hierophant, you don't know paano. Hindi mo alam paanong gawin. Like, there's that. I think some of you, that's the issue. Possibly, Gemini, this could be a new business, a new creativity. Okay, we'll find out. Punta muna tayo sa advice. What's the advice? If that's your situation, then what's the advice? What's the advice for our Gemini? Embrace your inner child if you are bored. Honor your boundaries if you are Gemini, if you have been feeling overwhelmed na. Queen of Cups and the Five of Cups. The reason why irritable kayo the recent past or recently, because you don't know how to set boundaries. For some of you, Gemini, you don't know how to learn to say no. Kaya na-overwhelm kayo siguro sa sobrang pagkikare. Caring for someone could be like, if there's someone asking for a favor from you, na-stress ka, you take on the responsibility. Could be brother, sister na may favor. Kasi ang Queen of Cups is someone na would care enough to do anything. Yan ang energy of Queen of Cups. Mapagmahal ang Queen of Cups maawain. And I feel like the problem is, naawa nga kayo sa ibang tao, but then there's also this energy na you know in your heart na naaabuso na kayo. Parang andun yung energy. Ay, pagod na ako. Pagod na ako kakaintindi sa inyo. Pagod na ako. There's that energy. That's why palang advice is, you need to learn to set some boundaries. Ano yung mga boundaries? Ay, ayoko. There's this learning to say no. Ay, hindi. Tama na yan. Tama na yung binigay ko. Sakto lang yan. That's already enough. Ay, wag na nang sumobra. Queen of Cups kasi, sometimes, ang tendency ng Queen of Cups, sobrang pamahal. Bigay lahat. Pera. Allowance. Suporta. Lahat. Bigay na kahit wala nang tira sa'yo. Sa sobrang pagmamahal natin. Siguro, sa anak, kapatid, asawa. You can apply this to anybody. Kaibigan, kapitbahay, utang. Ay, alam ko si Gemini, mabait eh. Kahit anong uutang nga ako ulit kay Gemini. Ayan. I feel like with the Queen of Cups and the Five of Cups, there is also this energy, Gemini, na awa na kayo sa sarili niyo. Right? Naawa na kayo sa sarili niyo. Pati nagtatalo ang iyong Ace of Wands energy. Yung logic ninyo, kind of puso. Because Gemini, you're an air sign eh. Like, you are like Aquarius and Libra. You're an air sign. You're very logical. But then, nagtatalo ang puso mo. Dumating na sa punto na automatic kasi, instinct kasi, automatic ba? Automatic na nag-rebalance ang ating whole being. Okay, may umuudyok na. Gemini, ito yung siguro yung konsensya natin. Or bulong, or gut feelings na, Gemini, naabuso ka na nila. Di ka pa naawas sarili mo. Maybe ito yung konsensya mo. Five of Cups and Queen of Cups. Naguguluhan ka ng Five of Cups. Ano ba itong nararamdaman ko? Gusto kong tumulong. Pero sobra-sobra ng ginawa ko eh. Pero ako pa rin ba ang mali? Mali ba? There's also this a worry. Kasi ang Queen of Cups ganyan eh. Ganyan ang Queen of Cups energy. Takot sila na masabihan na masama sila. Sensitive ang mga Queen of Cups eh. And the fact na lumabas sa reading mo, I feel like some of you, hindi lahat, na parang, yun nga, sa sobrang, nagagalit ka na gusto mong tumulong, right? Andun yung pag gusto mong tumulong, hindi mo rin, kunyari, like for example, ina or anak. Diba, dahil anak natin sila, o ina natin, maiinis tayo dahil sobra-sobra na sila. Pero hindi pa rin natin sila mahihindihan kasi the fact na ina nga natin sila or anak. So hanggang, iba, parang, pati ako nagugulat, Gemini, pati ako na ano na rin ako. Kasi also I'm an air sign, like you. So, andun yun. Yan sumasakit ang ulo mo eh. Sumasakit ang ulo mo. Ano ba to? Sumasakit ng ulo ko. Gusto kong tumulong. Gusto ko ibigay lahat. Pagmamahal. Dindihin. Iniintindi ko na sila eh. Pero, sobra-sobra naman na. Pagod na ako. Yan ang energy na pipick up ko right now. For some of you. Kaya pala, andito yung Eight of Cups and the Emperor. You are indulging yourself now. You are stepping into the Emperor energy. It's parang wala ka nang pakialam ngayon kung anong sasabihin ng iba. Emperor, wala nang pakialam kung unhealthy, kumakain na siya mag-isa. Kumbaga, you wanna enjoy yourself naman ngayon. Parang gusto mo yung rin i-enjoy ang sarili mo. Gusto mo namang unahin ngayon ang sarili mo. So, I think, kaya pala lumabas ang honor your boundaries. So, set some boundaries if, na-overwhelm ka na, ginawa mo na lahat, but then, for some people, di pa rin sapat, no? It's their problem na, Gemini, right? Kung para sa kanila, hindi pa sapat yung suporta na binigay mo, Queen of Cups, suporta. This could be financial support. This could be love support. This could be any kind of support, emotional, financial, even physical, even advice, pagpapayo. And then, ikaw pa rin lumalabas na masama or anything. Embrace your energy. If ever na, the only way for you to heal, by the way, okay, for a lot of you right now, Gemini, if you are been feeling like overwhelmed, mabigat ang nararamdam, sumasakit ang katawan or anything, the way for you to heal is embrace your inner child. Maglaro ka ng mga bagay na, ano ba yung inner child? Yung mga laro-laro ngayon na uso na ginagawa ng matatanda, that's embracing their inner child. You know, sino yung nagko-collect ng mga dolls? Ni asawa ni Ding Dong Dantes. That's her embracing her inner child. So, iba-iba kayo eh. For me, the way I embrace my inner child is, diba, matanda ka na para maglaro ng, yung sungka ba yun? Ano ba yun? Ganon. For me, it's embracing my inner child. Pagdodrawing, or anything na ginagawa ng normal na bata, and then ginagawa mo as matanda, that's you embracing your inner child. Not feeling guilty about doing whatever you want. Joy, whatever brings you joy and happiness, do it, right? So, yeah. So I think right now, you are looking for guidance. That's why you feel stuck. You don't know what to do, right? So, what else? What's the advice? What's the advice? Napaka-importante to set some boundaries, to learn to say no. Fox. Owl. You have water repulse. Positive change. May mga positive changes na paparating sa inyo, Gemini, that will cause for you to celebrate with the Three of Cups. You will soon celebrate this new beginning, new positive change. So be mindful of the impact of your actions, okay? As they shape your present and future. So even small things matter. Kaya pala andito yung Wheel of Fortune and the Ace of Wands. Napakaganda mag-clarify kasi so ito yung makakapagbago sa yung kapalaran, Gemini. Ace of Wands. Whatever you want to do right now, if you want to start something new business, new creativity, new pagkalbalahan, make sure na you are being guided accordingly or hindi ka lost. So, kaya pala lumabas yung Hierophant. This Hierophant represents mentors, experts, or teachers or guides. So, humingi ng payo, advice sa mga taong mas may alam sa mga gusto mong gawin, right? What else, Gemini? Yeah, be resourceful and trust your instincts to creatively find answers in unexpected ways, intuitive bag of tricks. So, magmasid, alright? Be an observer as well with the owl. I think observe ka muna. Talaga, observe ka muna. And the fox is a very smart, cunning. Ano yung cunning? Matuso na animal. So, ini-encourage ka na maging kagaya ng fox dito at ng owl. Mag-observe muna. Obserbahan mo muna ang takbo ng sitwasyon. Kung ano man yung anong new beginnings na paparating. This could be a new relationship. New something. Right? Wait lang, Gemini. Yeah, so, kung ano man yung mga uumpisahan nyo, Gemini, right? Trabaho, like, eto, Ace of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. Ano man yung uumpisahan ninyo? Trabaho, negosyo, a new creative passion, bagong pagkabalahan, bagong idea na gagawin, may pinaplano sa negosyo. You know, it will make or break. Ito yung sinasabi na be mindful of the impact of your actions as they shape your present and future. So, ito yung makakapagbabago ng kapalaran nyo. Now, yung kapalaran nyo magdedepende sa mga actions o mga hakbang na gagawin niyo. So, hopefully tama, no? So, andito yung advice. You have the fox and owl kasi kumuha tayo ng advice. So, sabi dito, ang nakikita ko dito sa advice is, you really have to be kilatisin mabuti yung mga hakbang na gagawin niyo. Kilatisin, pag-aralang mabuti, pag-isipan, humingi ng payo, humingi ng advice, humingi ng makinig sa mga expert, magpakonsulta, konsulta sa mga expert. There's something about that. You have the Hierophant. Ito yung mga expert, no, mga kilala na dyan, or maybe pag kailangan yung pag-aralan, at there's the owl here. It means na mag-observe ka lang muna siguro. So, tignang mabuti muna siguro ang sitwasyon bago ka maggumawa ng action, o bago mo simulan, o bago mo gawin yung mga pinaplano or something. Possibly bibili, possibly pumunta ng ibang bansa, possibly pasukin tong mga kung ano mga for there's something about na posibleng sisimulan ninyo. Okay? Seek knowledge, right? So, seeking knowledge is getting more information. Kumuha mo ng mga impormasyon na dapat niyo mga kailangan. Kasi, baka mamaya, ito yung ikababagsak ninyo pala. Hindi nyo napaghandaan, hindi nyo kinilatis muna, hindi nyo pinag-aralan, hindi kayo kumonsulta, hindi kayo humingi ng payo or advice. They hold the answers you seek. There's something about, I feel like magkakaroon ka lang kasagutan right? At the moment, there's also the advice for some of you to focus on the present moment. Be mindful of your actions. Naulit-ulit yung word na be mindful of your actions. Be present moment. And you have to have an awareness. And ano nyo yung utak ninyo. Avoid overthinking. Avoid overthinking at huwag pasugod-sugod. Okay? So, huwag padala sa mga damdamin. Huwag magpadala sa sobrang excitement. Okay, so I think hopefully nagabayan ko kayo sa mga sinasabi ko dito sa reading na to. Okay, so Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus placement. Let me know nag-resonate sa yung reading. Like this video if nagustuhan ninyo. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo. At huwag kalimutan na i-click yung notification bell para ma-notified kayo pag may mga bagong uploads ako para sa inyo, Gemini. Now, sa mga interesado pong makita or, gustong bumili ng mga items na binibenta ko dito, mga pampaswerte, mga crystals or anything. For more information, don't go away. Magbabalik po ako dyan para sa another video to give you instructions on how to place an order, paano makabili, and everything. Okay, maraming salamat, Gemini. Ingat po and God bless. Okay, so for those of you na interesadong makita yung mga produkto ko, you can search the items or my products sa website. But mostly sa website po is, by the way, this is my website. Pag type nyo po ng bonommagos.com, ganito po, ito po yung unang bubungad sa inyo. And just scroll down. You can also read that para maintindihan nyo. You can just read that, and then dito po sa baba, every now and then, update po ako sa website just in case if ever ma-sold out yung mga items, tinatanggal ko na po dyan as much as possible para to avoid confusion, no? Pero for now, ito yung mga meron pa, available pa. So you have Prospera Alashan Citrine, may Gambler's Luck Karma Cleansing Amazonite, andito yung mga crystal pendant. For now, yung binibenta ko is crystal pendant lang for only 100 pesos. Ayan yung mga crystal bracelet. Now, para makita nyo po ang description at yung benefits ng bawat item, just click the picture and then you can scroll down to read the description. Andito yung price nakalagay. You can scroll down and just read. Basahin nyo lang po yung mga nakasulat dyan. So, malalaman nyo yung benefits niya. And for some items, nandyan na po yung instruction. But, pag nakatanggap po, pag bumili po kayo, may marireceive pa rin kayong instruction na maliit na papel. Okay? Now, by the way, lahat po ng mga items dito ay dadaan po sa cleansing, blessing ritual, blessing ritual, at ritual po sa Latin. Yan po ang kaibahan ko sa mga ibang nagbebenta. So, if meron kayong gustong iparitual, libre po pag bumili kayo ng kahit na anong item. Now, there are also, ito yung mga bestseller ko. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng pangkalahatan or all-in-one powerful red string, andyan yung benefits na, andyan yung explanation niya kung bakit siya all-in-one at bakit powerful. Ayan, for only 100 pesos. Andyan yung mga smudge kit. Ayan yung mga ibang item. For now, yan lang po ang nailagay ko. But for more items, you can also check my Facebook page kasi most of the time, yung mga limited po na stocks, andito ko po pinopost. Ayan yung Aurum Kalinda Ithon Tiger's Eye Mantra Bracelet. Basahin nyo lang yung mga postings ko, andyan yung mga description, andyan yung mga benefits, so you would understand para malaman ninyo. Now, paminsan-minsan dito ko po pinopost sa Facebook page ko yung mga insights, mga information kung paano maka-attract ng swerte, to teach you kung ano mga dapat niyong gawin, all about related sa pang-akit ng swerte, pamproteksyon, anything you need to know about para umangat sa buhay. All of that. And mostly is about, yung mga items ko dito, they are spiritual tools na hopefully makatulong sa inyong mga pinagdadaan ng problema sa trabaho, career, finance, pera, and negosyo. And of course, love life at kalusugan. Right? So, if may gusto kayong nagustuhan na item, ayan. By the way, always po kayong mag-scroll down dito. You can also check my photos. Ayan. May mga albums ako. Mga albums. Ayan. You can check the albums. Ayan. I-check nyo kung. And then, every now, pag nag-message po kayo, just huwag nyo pong kalimutan magtanong if yung ini-inquire niyo is available pa or baka hindi na po. Kasi limited stocks lang po ako dito talaga kadalasan. And mostly, 2 weeks na uubos na po yung mga stocks ko. Or wala pang 1 buwan, ubos na. Okay, ayan. And sa mga nag-i-inquire about tarot reading services ko, 5,000. Ayan, if barya lang po sa inyo yung 5,000, pwede kayo magpo-book sa akin. And mag-message lang po kayo sa akin sa Facebook page ko po dito. Ayan, i-message nyo lang ako dito sa my Bonum Magos PH na may blue check po. Okay, mag-ingat po sa mga scammers na gumagaya sa akin kasi may mga iba ginagaya po ang Bonum Magos PH pero sila po, wala po silang blue check. Ako lang po ang may blue check. Ayan. And what else? If you are inquiring about, so saan mahanap tong mga menu? If makikita niyo yung dalawang linya dyan sa taas, sa tabi, nakatabi ng ng Bonum Magos logo, i-click nyo lang to and then lalabas po yung mga pages or menu. You have the frequently asked questions. If may mga katanungan kayo, paki-visit na lang dito, paki-click na lang yung frequently asked questions. Baka, you know, to inform you yung mga katanungan niyo just in case hindi nyo ako agad makausap sa messenger. Okay, magtatanong kayo kung may COD, walang COD, anong mga rituals na ginagawa ko. Nandito na lahat yung mga posible pong itatanong sa akin ng mga customer or clients. Up to the question kung anong courier ko, nagpapaship ba ako sa ibang bansa, andito po naka-explain, kung may discount ba, kung may refund ba, andito po lahat naka-explain. And about me, if you are curious about me, you can just read here. Ayan, basahin, pakibasa na lang po yan. And ano yung ibig sabihin? Anong ibig sabihin ng Bonum Magos? Ayan, dyan po nakalagay, naka-explain, nilagay ko po yan para maintindihan nyo. And then po ang pagmumukha ko, okay? For those of you, hindi pa nakikita ang pagmumukha ko, ayan, ako po si Angel Francia Feliciano. And for awards and certificates, dito nyo makikita, for now, wala pa akong nilagay kasi sobrang busy pa ako sa mga trainings ngayon sa association. By the way, I'm a member of Spiritual Integrity Association or ASI. It's an American association. So, Association for Spiritual Integrity. Meron silang sariling website. Spiritual Integrity. ASI Association. Okay, ayan yung website nila. So, sa directory, community, members directory, you can actually search me. Andito yung pangalan ko, Angel Feliciano. Ay, dito pala yung members. Angel. Ayan po ako. That's me right now. Nakuha nila yung picture ko. So, ako lang po ang nasa Philippines. Ayan, La Union, Bonum Magos, andyan yung website ko, and then yung contact number ko, nakuha nila. So, marami pa mga miyembro, mostly are Americans. So, I'm a member of ASI. So, lahat po ng teachings ko nanggaling po dyan sa kanila. Okay, I'm a member, so tinitrain po nila ako for coachings. Ayan, so for biography, for my biography, bas pakibasa na lang dyan. Sana ang birthday ko, sana ko pinanganak, my profession, and then i-explain ko dito yung mga professional expertise ko, yung pagiging psychic medium, and lahat na pakibasa na lang po dyan. And for services, okay, for now, ang mai-offer ko lang is tarot. Actually, I have a certificate for distance Reiki, for chakra alignment, but then yung chakra kasi is dapat personal yan eh. Dapat personal gagawin. So, for now, hindi ko ano sa inyo sa, kasi hindi pa ako tumatanggap. Siguro pag someday or one day. Ayan. For now, tarot services. So, for this one, you can, mamili lang po kayo sa price. May in-offer akong 5,000. Yan ang pinakamura. And then, merong pinakabongga, if you can afford, 15,000. Dito, ito yung kung gusto nyo magpasa, kung gusto nyo ma-align yung chakra ninyo. And dyan po, naka-explain kung bakit, ano yung packages, ano yung mga inclusions niya. Anong kasali dyan sa 15,000. Kasama na dyan yung mga necklace, mga items na marireceive ninyo, at then yung bracelets. Ayan, and all other items pa. So, for yung pinakamurang may offer ko is 5,000 pesos. Yan, napaka-expensive po. So, mayroon naman mga ibang tarot reader na nag-offer na mas mura. Doon na lang po kayo for the meantime. Yun lang pong kayang ma-afford ang services ko. Okay? 5,000. Kung gusto niyo magpa-book, again, you message me on my Facebook page, Bono Magos PH, yung pong may blue check. Mag-message lang po kayo doon. And if gusto niyo magpasama sa prayer ritual na ginagawa ko every Sunday, or once a week, mag-submit lang po kayo dito. You click that, and then lalabas yan, and then pakibasa na lang yan, and then you submit your name, your first name, okay, fill upan nyo lang yan dyan, yung email, napaka-importante para ma-replyan ko kayo, yung phone number, at then yung prayer request niyo, and then click send. Ayan, yun lang po, dyan lang po kasimple. First, okay, a lot of hindi ko ma-replyan, but doesn't mean na hindi ko ginawa yung prayer, okay? So, for vlog, you can check here, mga insights ko, mga blog entry ko. Ayan, what else? Magkalka lang kayo dito, mag-explore lang kayo. For prayers, every now and then, pag may bago, naglalagay ako dyan. I-update ko pa yan. And I think that's it for my YouTube channel. Andyan yung link. And for the Facebook page, andyan yung link. So, I think that's it, mga madam. So, hopefully, klaro na. Again, if you want to place an order, paki-message po ako dito sa Facebook page ko. Ayan po. Okay, Bono Magos PH. Ayan. So, I think that's it. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. And ingat po and God bless.